y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Greek pasta, and it's so delicious. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Alright, so do a little dance and get ready to cook with us. So the first step is we are just going to go ahead and bring our water to a boil, and then we're going to be using rotini pasta, and I am using all 16 ounces for this recipe. Next, you're going to cut up some cucumber and tomatoes, and then the recipe actually calls for some olives and purple onion as well, but we don't really eat the olives or onions, so I'm making it without. When your pasta is done, you're just going to drain it and run some cold water on top, and then you're going to put it in a big pot and start adding all of your vegetables to the top. Next, you put in 4 ounces of feta cheese, or the recipe actually calls for 8. I think I used only 4 ounces here, but this is what it looks like after everything is in. And then you're going to take some red wine vinaigrette and just start pouring in your sauce as much as you would like. And then you're going to mix it all together, and here I started using the salad tongs, but then quickly realized that it was easier to just use the pasta spoon that I was using from earlier. And now you have an easy Greek pasta salad that you can take to dinners or wherever. And on this night, it was our first day of summer break, so we were cooking hot dogs. We grilled out some hot dogs and had the pasta as a side. Alright, and then right after dinner, we started cleaning up as a family tonight. Alright, and I am a hot mess in this video, y'all. We were at the pool for like 4 hours today, so my hair is still wet and just thrown up, and I'm just in comfy clothes, but you guys see me like this all the time, so I guess it's nothing new. Alright, and here I'm using my go-to multi-surface spray, which is the Mrs. Meyer's in the peony scent. I absolutely love it, and you guys probably already know this. Alright, and here is a little bit of teamwork for you. We were trying to hurry up and get our kitchen super clean this evening as fast as we could so that we could still go on a little golf cart ride before we came home to take baths and go to bed. Smile, 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 smile. Alright, and then Kason is helping us clean the kitchen tonight, and he's using the Method Daily Granite Cleaner on the countertops, and then on our wood countertop we will be using the Method Daily Wood Cleaner. Alright, and then we use the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray on the stovetop, which you'll see Chance cleaning here, and then Kason is going around on all the stainless steel appliances, and he's using the Method Daily Stainless Steel Cleaner. And then I decided to help him with the refrigerator because he couldn't reach all the way to the top, but he did a really good job trying, and I'm so proud of him for his hard work and helping us clean the kitchen tonight. Alright, and now we are just going to set the table since it's all nice and clean. And there, Kason told me that he wanted to put out the flowers, so he made me put it back. And can you tell that this guy likes to be on camera? Alright, so now I'm going to be cleaning the floors. I'm just going to vacuum in the breakfast and the kitchen area. And I'm using my Dyson V7. You guys ask me about this vacuum all the time, and I absolutely love it. Yes, it holds the charge the entire time I clean my house. So if I'm cleaning the whole house, I will do it on regular mode. But if I'm just spot cleaning like tonight, then I'll actually do it on max mode. And it's super powered and it picks up everything. I love it. It doesn't last as long in the max mode. I think it lasts me about 7 minutes, which is perfect for this area. But if I'm cleaning my whole house and want it on regular mode, then it will last the entire time I clean my house. So this one is the V7, and they just came out with a V8 recently, and I do have the V7 linked in my Amazon store, and you can find that link down in the description box below. So if you haven't seen my Amazon store, you should definitely go check it out. I try to link everything that you guys ask me about in my Amazon store. So like my bar stools, my vacuum, my camera, all kinds of different things that I use and you guys love or ask me about, they are linked in my store below. So definitely go check that out if you haven't already. Alright, and now I'm just using the peppermint scent in my fixing diffuser. Just got this diffuser a few weeks ago and I am loving it, and my kids actually love it too. And Kason says his favorite scent so far was the peppermint, so he wants me to do it every night after dinner. So that's what I'm doing tonight, and I'm just going to set it on 3 hours, and we will have a nice smelling house when we get back from our golf cart ride. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and found a new little side dish that you can make, and we got some cleaning motivation as well. If you are not following my family on Instagram, make sure you go follow over there, and then subscribe to my channel as well if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all!